How's it going, guys? Boop here. I'm going to be playing some PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds again, because every time I go into the stream, it fucks up and doesn't let me play it. So, here we go. I accidentally clicked on the duo game, so I've got a weird teammate. He looks pretty newish, so he's probably going to die soon. Just leave me by myself. I got a police vest. I don't think anyone dropped in this area, so I'm just gonna see if you guys are gonna follow me or not. I got a backpack. So, got some ammo, grenade. Oh, I hate when I just have shotguns because I'm better like with a fast shooting gun, and I'm not that good of a sniper at the moment. I used to be, but it's kind of not my thing anymore. Oh yeah, this is a good gun because it shoots fast. I forgot about that. Got 8 scope. Come on, pick up. So yeah, got some more ammo. I've been playing this game recently, but I always get to the top 5 and I die at number 4. It's really frustrating. I'm pretty sure another person dropped in this town, so I think there might be someone over. Oh. Headshot. That was easy. This gun's pretty good actually. Let's hope someone doesn't sneak up on me while I get his shit. So what has he got? Got some Red Bull, first aid kit, just got a bunch of ammo. This gun's a shit. Gonna take his pants. And yeah. Okay, so is my teammate still alive? Yeah, he is. I should start travelling in a bit, so I think that's everyone left in this town, because we was the only ones who dropped around here, and we're pretty much on the edge of the circle, so we should be moving right now, but I don't know what he's doing. Oh god. Dude, we gotta go. Oh yeah, well, let me just sit up. I can't see. Come on. Oh, he's shooting me. 2 kills so far, pretty good. Let's see what crap he had. Let's hope no one else is in this area, because I'm kind of getting low on health and low on ammo. Oh, he's got some ammo and shit. He's got a shirt and some boots, but I have no room. Yeah, it's enough. Alright, where should I go now? I think we're still in the circle. Oh, my teammate's dead. Oh well. 73 left. Oh, it seems to be going on forever. Alright, let's head this way. I think there might be a town this way, but is that a car? No, it's got a black window. Alright, where should I go now? Oh, here's where's that gunshots coming from? Oh, it's a bike. Oh yeah, I can drive it. Right, so let's go this way. Just follow the road. I have no idea what to do anymore. 7 people left in the game. That's pretty okay, I guess. This house doesn't look looted yet, so let's see what we've got. Not much. Oh, I've got a hat, I don't have one. Is that it? Let's see what's over here. Painkiller, that's good. Put some ammo more. Right. So, nothing else here? Yeah, where are we on the map? Let's go find my vehicle. I don't remember where I put it, so... Oh, it's kind of closing in more now. Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker! Cringe. Alright, where is it? Hello? Ooh, what's that? Oh, there it is. Alright, we're kind of close to the edge, don't go far away. So, face that direction? Yeah, there's there. And over there's... May as well go this way. Whoops. My channel is dying. I'm really bad at driving on Pubg. It's so hard. Oh, is that one that guy died? I thought I saw someone over here, but I don't know. Probably was bad graphics. Oh god. I may as well just pull out over here so I've got time to hide. What? No. Oh my god.